Wayfair, you got just what I need. Everything for my home, you got it for me.
I've never seen selection quite like this. Every color and
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Woods County in northwest Oklahoma, northern Woodward County in northwest Oklahoma, until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:26 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Winoka and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard: 3-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Alba, Waynoka, Freedom, Tacoma, Avard, Alabaster Cavern State Park, Capron, Hopeton, and Camp Houston. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Woods County in northwest Oklahoma, northwestern Alfalfa County in north central Oklahoma until 2:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:56 a.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service radar detected a tornado 5 miles southwest of Alba, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Alba, Burlington, and Capron. Get in, get down, and cover up. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows.
And wonderful halos.
Breaking news. The tornadic thunderstorm currently affecting Woods County has its first victim. A man in southwest Alva has just had part of his house torn apart from the tornado. A 911 transcript has been shared by the Alva Police Department. Some info has been censored to protect their privacy. Take a listen.
911, what is your emergency?
The tornado just tore apart part of my house.
What is your address?
1
What is the phone number you're calling from?
580.
What exactly happened?
I don't know, I was just sitting in my hallway and then I hear wind and then next thing part of my house is gone.
Police units are en route to your location.
That is truly terrifying. We find it strange that they sent police units instead of an ambulance to their location. Updates will be provided on this situation as soon as it becomes available.
On America has 32-inch flat-screen TVs for as low as $99. Come and get.
A tornado warning is in effect until 2:45 Central Time for northeastern Woods and northwestern Alfalfa counties. Please follow all instructions from the National Weather Service.
Cars, carousel, and so much.
At Lego City Police Station, the crooks are...
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service, Norman, Oklahoma. All residents in Woods, Woodward, and Alfalfa counties are ordered to get inside a storm shelter immediately. The severe thunderstorm currently affecting these areas has been observed to form tornadoes approximately every 10 minutes. The National Weather Service has no explanation as to why this is occurring. All residents in Woods, Woodward, and Alfalfa counties are ordered to get inside a storm shelter immediately. If you do not have a storm shelter available, call 911 and emergency personnel will transport you to the nearest available storm shelter. Do not go outdoors for any reason, as you may be putting your life in extreme danger. Only call 911 for emergencies only.
Tricks are for kids.
Trink's fruit favorite cereal, part of a good breakfast with wild...
Time travel can make a kid hungry.
Good thing we have Happy Meals.
First stop, the French Revolution.
The National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a tornado warning for eastern Tom Green County in southwest Texas until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Wall, or 4 miles southeast of San Angelo, moving northwest at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Wall and San Angelo. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a nearby reinforced building. As a last resort, seek shelter in a culvert. Ditch your low spot and cover your head with your hands.
The Rewash. Or you can
at 7:39 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, on Sunday, May 26, 2014, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for Vancouver after a severe thunderstorm with the capability to produce a tornado was located 5 miles south of Vancouver, and was shown moving north at approximately 41 kilometers per hour. The following actions should be taken: get into a basement or the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If outdoors, get inside the nearest substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch, and cover your head with your hands. To repeat, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for Vancouver after a severe thunderstorm with the capability to produce a tornado was located 5 miles south of Vancouver, and was shown moving north at approximately 41 kilometers per hour. Take shelter immediately. This is an update to the tornado warning alert that was issued 15 minutes ago. The tornadic thunderstorm currently over the city of Vancouver has been observed to be forming tornadoes approximately every 10 minutes. The cause of this behavior is currently unknown. It is advised that you get into a substantial shelter immediately. If you are outdoors, call emergency services and give them your exact location, and they will transport you into a substantial shelter. If emergency services are unavailable, lie flat in the nearest ditch and cover your head with your hand. More information will be provided as soon as it becomes available.
Hey, Mr. Smith. Want to try out my time machine? It runs on Doritos.
Sure. So now what?
Gotta put the whole bag in.
Okay.
My fellow Americans, as some of you may know, there is an unknown and extremely abnormal event occurring across the entire North American continent. Tornadoes are mysteriously forming from severe thunderstorms at an extremely rapid rate and causing major damage across the United States and other nations. The National Weather Service has conducted studies to try and figure out the cause for this, but nothing useful was found. As a result of this, I have decided to declare a national emergency for the entirety of the continental United States. Martial law is now in effect indefinitely across all 50 continental states. Get inside of the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If outdoors, call 911 and you will be transported to the nearest available shelter. This concludes this message.